it got that name is a sweet little story about life's challenges, a painted van, and a promise I made to choose joy for a year. And I'll link to that video at the end of this one. Today I take walkabouts, usually with a sketchbook in hand. And some of these walkabouts turn into talkabouts because I seem to have a lot to say, particularly about making art. I make art in a variety of ways, and I post YouTube videos about art to encourage myself, along with others, to keep feeding my creative spirit, regardless of any challenges that life may present. I still choose joy whenever possible. I'm a 70-plus-year-old artist happily living and creating in Portland, Oregon, who believes strongly that art has the power to heal, to give people a voice, to improve people's lives and their communities. I hope I can encourage you to make or keep making art, despite any challenges you might have. Thanks for watching and subscribing.